Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Waits World Travel. We are at Hotel Lucy in Granbury, Texas, and we just arrived at our room, which is the Havana Room. So let's take a look. It's a beautiful room. You can see I have a 4-poster bed with draped curtains around it and some comfortable chairs and doors out onto the deck. It's a shared deck, but still very nice. Beautiful grounds. There's the main building over there in the background. Oh, and here's the pool. I have a nice view of the pool, which we'll be trying out tomorrow. It's our lovely king-size bed. And they have water and ice bucket there, a nice big flat screen TV with music playing. Nice credenza dresser. And beautiful decorations. They have an armoire here for the closet or hanging space. And extra bedding and pillows. I have night tables on both sides of the bed. And these interesting fixtures, light fixtures. And here's the bathroom. Wow. Nice, great big bathroom. Double vanity. And robes you can use while you're here. And extra towels. And the facilities, of course. And a nice, great big soaking tub. And a nice big separate shower. Really big separate shower with a rain shower head and a shower wand. So just gorgeous. So when you're ready to visit Granbury, remember the Hotel Lucy and the Havana Room and contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.